Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore deleted posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. First of all, make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app to see your recently deleted content. First of all, we have to open our Instagram. From your settings, you can restore photos, videos, reels, and Instagram stories you've deleted. Content that you choose to delete it, remove from your account immediately, and move to recently deleted. You can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines over here on the upper right corner. Tap on your activity. There's an option recently deleted. Tap on that. So here's your deleted content, your deleted post on Instagram. Content in recently deleted will be automatically deleted 30 days later or up to 24 hours for stories that aren't your stories archived. During those 30 days, you can access deleted content from your account in recently deleted on the Instagram app for Android and iPhone and either restore it or permanently delete it. If you don't see the content you'd like to restore in recently deleted, the content may be older than 30 days or 24 hours for stories. So to restore your post, you can tap on the post, tap on the three lines over here. You can see there's an option, restore, you can tap on that. If you deleted it from your profile grid, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you delete it from your archive, it will be restored to your archive. You can tap on restore. I will restore all of these posts. I think you can go back and see to my profile to see. Now you can see the deleted post is appear on my feed. So that is how to restore deleted posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you. Damai.